In this video, I'll detail how to turn on or enable check to undo on iPad. So if you have an iPad, iPad Air or iPad mini, or even iPad Pro, either the second gen or fifth gen, or the latest gen than MI chips, and you want to enable or turn on check to undo, then this video is going to walk you through. So if you done this video, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to turn on or enable check to undo on your iPad, all you just need to do is go to your iPad settings. On the settings page, scroll down and then click on general. Once you click on general, come here and click on accessibility. Then on the accessibility page, scroll down to interaction. Once you get to interaction, locate check to undo, tap on it. Then come here and turn on check to undo. So if you tend to check your iPad by accident, you can disable check to undo to prevent the undo alert from appearing. Then once this is enabled, you'll be able to reverse to your previous action on your iPad if the iPad is checked by accident. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.